Have you ever clicked on a link, downloaded an app, or logged into your bank account online and thought, wait, is this actually safe? If so, you're already thinking about cybersecurity. In this video, I'll explain what cybersecurity is, how it works, and why it matters, in plain English. No tech jargon, no confusing stuff. At the end, I'll show you a simple way beginners can protect themselves online using a tool like Total AV. Okay, let's get into it. Cybersecurity is basically how we protect our devices, data, and personal information from digital threats. That includes your phone, your laptop, your passwords, your photos, messages, and bank details. Anytime you're online, browsing, shopping, emailing, or using social media, cybersecurity is what keeps bad actors out. Think of it like locking the doors and windows of your digital life. So, what are we actually protecting against? Here are the most common cyber threats. Viruses and malware, software designed to damage or spy on your device. Phishing scams, fake emails or messages trying to steal your info. Hackers, people trying to break into accounts or systems. Spyware, software that secretly tracks what you do online. And the scary part, you don't need to be famous or rich to be targeted. Most attacks are automated. They go after anyone who isn't protected. Cybersecurity works by using layers of protection. For example, scanning files before you open them, blocking dangerous websites, warning you about suspicious links, monitoring your system in real time. Good security software acts like a 24/7 security guard for your device, watching for threats and stopping them before they cause damage. And this is where tools like Total AV come in. If you're a beginner, cybersecurity shouldn't feel complicated. Total AV is designed to make protection simple. Real-time antivirus protection, blocks malware, spyware, and ransomware, alerts you about unsafe websites, and helps you keep your personal data secure. You don't need to know how viruses work behind the scenes. Total AV handles all of that for you automatically. Install it, keep it updated, and it quietly protects your device while you go about your day. Without cybersecurity, your passwords can be stolen, your accounts can be taken over, your personal files can be locked or deleted, and your identity can be misused. With proper cybersecurity, you browse safely, you shop with confidence, you avoid scams, and you protect your digital life. It's not about being paranoid. It's about being prepared. So that is cybersecurity, what it is, how it works, and why it matters. If you're just getting started and you want an easy way to protect yourself, check out Total AV, especially if you're not super tech savvy. There's an introduction discount of 80% for new customers via the link in the description. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and the team will answer them for you. As always, stay safe out there.